Every candle begins with the purest wax, carefully sourced for quality.
Beeswax, nature's gift, forms the heart of premium candles.
Each block is meticulously cleaned, ready for transformation.
Colors are measured with precision, giving each candle its signature hue.
Fragrances are chosen to evoke emotion, scenting the candle experience.
Wax is gently heated, turning solid blocks into a fluid canvas.
Filtering ensures purity, removing every trace of impurity. Stored at perfect temperature, ready for the next stage of production. Wicks are measured and prepared, the silent core of every candle.
The first connection is made, linking wax and wick in harmony.
Safety is paramount, every hand and eye protected for precision. Inventory organized, the journey from raw material to candle begins.
From the farm and raw sources, materials await their journey to the factory. Careful handling ensures every block of wax is ready for the journey ahead.
Colors and scents are packed securely, prepared for the factory floor.